2013 was a terrible year for Bangalore's commercial property market, with absorption of new office space plunging 40%, according to Cushman & Wakefield. 2014 promises to be different. Demand for new offices is back, and as Vinita Atre reports, developers are expecting a major surge in rentals in the coming quarters.
IT research and large data storage companies are hiring again, and as the recovery takes hold, Bangalore's commercial real estate industry is reaping the benefits. Experts say that over the last 3 months alone, the market has been flooded with domestic and foreign companies expressing interest in ready-to-move-in spaces totaling 4 to 4.5 million square feet. That's over half of last year's annual absorption.
In 2013, the overall absorption in the market in Bangalore was between 7.5 and 8 million square feet. We are already seeing a sizable interest levels in the first quarter, which signifies that this year we would cross that number. Having said that, the only consideration that we should keep in mind is that the supply needs to keep in pace with the demand.
Demand for space is quite high. Prime Property learns that some of the bigger interested parties include Flipkart, which is looking for a massive 1 million square feet facility, Accenture, which wants 200 to 300,000 square feet space, Capgemini, which is looking for 300,000 square feet, and Amazon and KPMG, both of whom are hunting for 400,000 square feet each. The IT capital Bangalore is also India's largest office market, and IT hubs in the city like Whitefield, Marathalli, Electronic City and Outer Ring Road, which house tech giants like Infosys, Wipro, IBM and Cisco, are all getting saturated now, which makes it harder for the likes of Flipkart and Amazon to find good grade A office spaces in these areas. So all those corporates who are looking for large swanky offices have no choice but to move to newer areas like Hebal and Yelahanka in North Bangalore, which are promising to be the new commercial hubs. But guess what? Despite the surge in demand, we understand that the rentals in these areas have been going up only marginally over the last 3 months. Here's a look at where they stand as of now. Not all. There's another reason for builders to feel enthused. What has developers like Prestige, RMC, Embassy and Bagmane really excited is the fact that now a significant number of companies are unusually looking to buy out their own office space instead of leasing it.
The thought process in this is if a company based in the US has got access to funds at cheap interest rates, say the 2-3% interest rate, and they get those funds here and they buy real estate, and if you take the cap rate, it will be much cheaper for them to buy, and then it's like sitting in a property with half the rent.
Whether companies choose to buy or lease, one way or the other, Bangalore seems to be heading for a supply-side bottleneck soon. Developers are happy that this could mean an uptick in prices. But the concern is that if demand continues to intensify at the current levels, the second and third quarters of this calendar year could see a sharp supply-side crunch. In Bangalore, Vinita Atre.